Today I'm going to show you how to pair wireless Android Auto, and we're in the 2025 Nissan Frontier. So let's start with our phone. So you'll see the settings menu, so go ahead and select that. And then once you're going to go down to the first one here, which says connections, and then you'll see the third drop down here is going to be Bluetooth. So go ahead and click on the Bluetooth icon. Now we're going to go all the way to the bottom here, and then this is when we'll go back to the infotainment screen. So you can either select phone or connections. So we'll click connections here. And then we're going to select Add New. So you'll see My Frontier pop up. So go ahead and select My Frontier. And now you'll see the pin on the screen matches the pin on the phone. So we'll go ahead and click Pair. And now you're going to go ahead and select Start on the screen over here. And then on your phone, you can either allow access to your contacts or deny that. In my case, I will deny, and you can allow messaging as well. So once that goes, the system will recognize that. And it'll take just a second to connect, and then you'll have your maps in here. You can select to see your icons. Everything else will be built right into the screen now, and it makes it really easy to use when you're out driving around.